Hi there, crypto enthusiasts. Today we are going to dive into the world of PiCoin. What if I told you you can buy Pi even if you missed out on mining it for free on your phone? So let me break it down. PiCoin started as a mobile mining project, letting folks mine from their phones without draining their batteries. If you couldn't mine, don't worry, you still have options. You can buy PiCoin from various platforms that support it. Always do your own research before buying any cryptocurrency. I am not a financial advisor or anything that's related to finances. There's a platform called Atani. They have a P2P sales of different kinds of cryptocurrencies, including Pi. Pi is sold at the price of 0.73 cents per Pi. Speculation on social media that PiCoin might be launching at the price of $40 to $50 per Pi. Sound good, right? So this is why we want to get our feet into this platform and make a purchase of Pi and see if this platform is legit. So without wasting much time, let's get into the PC and see how we can make this purchase. Yeah, I've made $10 into my Binance account. So this is the money that we are going to use to make the purchase of the Pi. And this is the homepage of the Atani P2P platform, you see. And these are the coins that they deals in. So ATH and other coin, and they have Pi here. So this Pi is our main concentration today. So when you click on the Pi, you see this is the price. I think the price has increased a little bit because it was 0.73, but it's now 0.753. So we're going to make the purchase. So I think we first need to deposit. So let me go to the wallet. We have to make a deposit. I think we can use, let's see first. Let's see, let's try buying it and let's see. Okay, so all right, so we can make the purchase with USDT. So let's make the deposit of the USDT. So make deposit. Okay, so I think I prefer to use the Binance Smart Chain. So let me copy the wallet address and come to withdrawal on Binance. So let me search my USDT. Sorry. Okay, and this is the address. I hope the address is okay, and it's a Binance Smart Chain. All right, so I want to transfer all the money. Let me cross check. I think everything is cool. Binance, yeah. So let me make the withdrawal. Continue on. Yeah. Let's see. Let me cross check again. Yeah, I think the address is okay. All right, so let me continue. So I'll have to make the verification. I'll first finish with the email. So let me come to my email. I should get the message by now. Okay. So let me copy the. Sorry. All right, and the authentication app. Let me do that for my phone. So 933990. All right, so the withdrawal has been initiated, and I think it will take some few minutes for us to get it in our Atani P2P wallet. Okay, so the withdrawal has been initiated, so we have to wait a little bit for it to get the alerts in our wallet. So I'm going to pause this video for a while and continue on when the alert hit my Atani P2P wallet. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have $10 in. So now let's make the purchase of the Pi. So I think let me select the Pi. Obviously, I think this guy has only one transaction. All right, I think we're going to buy from this first guy, and I'm buying all the $10. So I don't click on buy. I'm going to get 14 point something. All right, so it's giving us a notification that the purchase has been successful, so you have to check our wallet. I think I have the Pi here. So yeah, I have the Pi, so I have 14.012 Pi. Yeah, so I think the Pi purchase has been successful, and let's try withdrawing the Pi, and let's see if let me try to withdraw my Pi. Okay, I think so I need all. Wow, so they are saying the minimum withdrawal of the Pi, the minimum amount should be 100 Pi. All right, so I think the purchasing of the Pi has been successful. Just that you just have to meet the minimum withdrawal amount. So guys, I think this video is helpful. I think this video was helpful to you, and you can follow this procedure to buy your own Pi coin if maybe you are not able to mine it for free on your phone, as I said earlier. And I think everything has been very, very well explained. And if you have any questions, you can simply leave me a comment under the comment section, and I will answer you. And guys, I think the next video we're going to buy more to get the minimum withdrawal. That is 100 Pi, so that I'll transfer it to my mainnet wallet, Pi wallet address. So guys, thank you, and see you in another video, guys.